In fact, even Tamanna said during the trailer also that kudos to her, the kind of roles you have done. You are not someone who's been explored as much, in the industry. And honestly, Taina, I have even seen your work very closely. And I've seen the kind of roles you have done, even her, some of the roles are like really very like, it feels like you're in that character. Both of you for that matter. Some of the roles are literally feeling like, it's not Tamanna, it's not Diana I'm seeing on screen. It's that character which I'm seeing.
That's the best compliment.
And I'm telling, I feel that way, honestly. So for you, where did you feel that there was a hiccup in getting the right roles, or probably, why the approach-worthy roles were not coming to you?
I don't blame anybody because I feel like they've maybe not seen enough of me to have the kind of faith in the fact that I can do more. I really hope that with this show that changes, because this is the most I've been on screen since maybe Cocktail and Happy Bhaja, maybe even more than that.
Yeah, because this is more than that.
Yeah, and there's so much more that I've been able to do with my character. There's such an arc. There's she's a really volatile kind of cat. I mean, just the way that it's written and what we've had to play with. I feel I've got to explore so much as an actor, the most I ever have so far in all the work that I've done. So I really do hope somewhere that, people will be able to see that and appreciate it, and maybe that will then give them the confidence that I can do more and different kind of things. But I think that the problem is that so far people haven't seen that. And that's fair enough. I mean, at the end of the day, filmmaking is a business, and when you make a film, you need it to do well. It's not just that you want it to do well, but if you need to make your money, right? So the return on investment has to be, it has to be worthwhile for you, and hence it's understandable that you would put your money and back people that you have the confidence in. And I feel that because I don't have enough of a range to show in the work that I've done, few select things and not enough maybe. And I feel that that's probably the reason and where the hiccup and where the barrier has been. But hopefully with this show that will change, because I feel like this is the most I've gotten an opportunity to sink my teeth into a character.